Hey guys, I'm JCT and we're back to another video of Minecraft. Today I'm gonna be teaching you how to get fireballs on Minecraft. This is not my video. This is my friend's video, Wolfboy Gamer, and I'm gonna put the description to his channel down below. So be sure to visit it.
How to make a fireballs. As you can see, well, we all have fireballs in Minecraft. That's using fire charges, just like that. So what you do is copy this, all of this stuff. So slash root block. I don't know what is this. One without all with space. Air zero place. But we need this. Totally need this one. Slash set block. This -1. Another like that. Then this redstone block. That will do. So let's take this. Say it's infinite, as you can see. So oh my gosh, this should be like this. Slash execute at target all entities. Type snowballs, particle lava. That's next. Let's do it again like that. See that? Right there. So over there, execute at E type snowball. This is the longest one. Execute at E type snowballs. That summon falling sand. Summon falling sand like that one. Tile ID capitalize with colon 51 comma capitalize T colon 1 and brackets. So in here, these two are kill type snow. So that will work. Bam, bam, kill you. But I don't want to put this fireballs on my village. Maybe it gonna burn all of them. Yeah, no. Yeah. Let's put some. No. I mean no. I ate sheep, so sheep up. Come here. It doesn't do anything. Oh no! You don't burn on fire. Yes! You die. You die, sheep. Oh, there's. Oh no! I miss. You die. Keep jumping. Yeah.
So guys, thanks for watching. If you like that, hit that like button and be sure to subscribe. And don't forget to visit Wolfboy Gamer's channel. He's a good friend of mine, so be sure to subscribe to his channel too. And peace!